Hey guys, 375 Silver again here. Okay, so I'm here again, back. Wanted to see if you guys could see the cat out there. Could you just tell me? I don't know where she's been. If you guys want, we can actually see Troubles and maybe Shadow. Yes, we do have another cat named Shadow. She's a very lovely kitty as well. I don't know what I'm saying. I think you know that, because that was in the last video. So check this room. Nothing's in here. Well, guys, I just didn't know what to make a video on, so I just randomly was looking around and all that stuff, and so seeing if maybe, oh, guys, there's Shadow. I don't honestly know if you guys can see her because there's not that much room in here, and it is crap. The lighting in here is actually crap, like very crap, I mean it. So yeah, I don't think you can actually even see her. But she's over there in the dark. Let me get her actually. Just look at the blue towel. So guys, this is Shadow. There's a very good kitty. She's very good.
Brody,
What?
come in here.
Make it a YouTube video.
Mocha.
She's a very good kitty. Well, bye guys, that's the end of the video.
Mocha.